Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This review, or is it just not a really review? It's about the Final Cut Pro that I just updated yesterday. That was April 14, 2017, and I encountered problem with this, guys. I can't do anything with this. For example, if I have an edited video here, I can't do anything. I have to just, I can't, what do you call that? Let's see. I'm gonna give you example when I had a problem with this thing. Okay, I'm gonna explain this. I'm gonna give you example what happened to me, guys. Uncompressed, I have to put that to that one right here, and yeah, so like that. And then I'm gonna put in a short clip. Okay, and what happened was, what I encountered yesterday was, uh, after updating my Final Cut Pro X, after the update, guys, did you see this right here? It's just keep glitching, flickering. This area right here is just keep flickering. Nothing. It's just annoying as heck. And then when I try to finalize the video that I did, it won't work, guys. It give you warning over here because of the codec. And yeah, so it give you a warning, but because of my file is not, something, yeah, I forgot about it, but there is a warning over here, yellow. And so what I did was, first, this is what I did, guys. So I type it Apple codec. I went to this is the Pro Video formats Apple support. I went there, and what I did was download this thing. Okay, so I went to download this one, and then after download it, you have to, click it over here, and then just follow the instruction. This is just what I did, guys, and it works. I'm not gonna download because I did that already. So after downloading that, guys, you have to restart your computer and stuff like that. I did restart. I close my I close. If you guys, for example, if you guys have a clip already here edited, finalized already, you have to undo it. You have to delete all those stuff and back to normal, back to zero with your Final Cut Pro. You have to close your Final Cut Pro, and then after that, you have to go to Apple, shut down your computer, and then later on, you have to turn your computer back on. And before you edit some clips, guys, you have to make sure you have to try first. For example, if I put more videos in here, just the same thing, do it like that, and then go to settings, and it's the same thing. So this is what I did, guys. Next, and it works. It works. I did try this already 3 times, and it works. And there's no glitching over here. There's no flickering over. There's no annoying glitchy here. Glitchy. But it works for me, guys. So I hope you solved your problem, and good luck with you if you're having problem with your Final Cut Pro. Hopefully you can fix it. And I hope this video will help for you guys. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good luck.